Each of Your Jacks is a nonprofit in Jacksonville, Florida, supporting the urban ag revolution by providing locally grown edible plants and educational opportunities. One of those opportunities is the Persimmon Festival. This event is a love song to persimmons, a late harvest, versatile yet often overlooked fruit. The event, held on the first Sunday of November, combines persimmon tastings, plant sales, and educational workshops to highlight the farm and the opportunities to transform your yard into a place that feeds mind, body, and spirit.
What you making now?
I'm getting ready to make another batch of the rosé tea that people found out about it disappeared.
That is the roselle. That's the spent roselle.
And this is what it looks like when it's grown in your garden. You just peel them back. You can eat the petals if you want. They're a little tart. Just stick them in a little boiling water. Let them soak for about 5-10 minutes. You have a wonderful tea.